Hey folks, Mr. Dell here. We are looking at a problem that has to do with proportions, ratios, and in the concept or context of a word problem. This is a problem taken from CPM Course 3, and it's section 6.1.2, number 615. It says, Shooter Marilyn is the Spartans' best free throw shooter. She normally makes 3 out of every 4 shots. In an upcoming charity event, Shooter will shoot 600 free throws. If she makes over 400 baskets, the school wins $1,000. Should the Spartans expect to win the cash for the school? Show how you organize your work. So we know right off the get-go, it tells us that she makes 3 out of 4 shots. So 3 out of 4, we can write that as a fraction, right? So 3 out of 4. When you see something like this, 3 out of 4, you can write it as a fraction, 3/4. So 3/4 of her shots, 3/4 of her shots. So she makes, is what I'm seeing now, she makes 3/4 of her shots, right? And so if she's going to shoot 600 free throws, we want to know, is that greater than 400 or not? So I need to just determine what is 3/4 of 600. If I can determine that, that'll help. 3/4 of 600, well, when you see that word of, and you're trying to find a fraction of something, you use multiplication. So it's 3/4 times 600. And then when you're multiplying a fraction times a whole number, you put that whole number over 1, and you can then just multiply straight across. So 3 times 600 is 1,800. 4 times 1 is 4. So now I have 1,800 divided by 4. So I've got to figure out what that number is. What is 1,800 divided by 4? So 4 will go into that 18 part by 4 times using the long division algorithm. Bring down the 0. 4 goes into there 5. Subtract, you get 0, and there's still another 0, so we still have to add a 0 at the end there. So what do I see? I see that 3/4 of 600 is 450. So do we expect her to make over 400? Yes. If she can make 3/4 of her shots and she's going to shoot 600 times, 3/4 of 600 is 450. So that will be over 400. So we could say, yes, she should make, she should make 450 out of 600 shots. Okay. There we go.